Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing? I want to give a warm welcome to the newbies that decided to stop by and check out today's video. I'm so excited that you wanted to come see what this is all about. If you're new tuning in, please join this Tulip Nation. It's absolutely free. We would love to have you be a part of this pasture, honey, this tulip pasture. Also, click that bell's notification so that you can be updated or alerted of new videos that are released each and every week. And also support me. Show me love. Show me some support. Give this video a great big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. As you guys know, I recently took down my bob braids that I had, but I wanted to give you guys a true update of what the current length of my hair is since the last time I did a length check. You guys know that I've been doing multiple things to help support healthier growing hair. So one of those things that I was doing was I was using this particular vitamin here, which is the Nature's Choice hair vitamin, which consisted of biotin, folic acid, and some other things to help promote healthier growing hair. Also, you guys know that I was utilizing the Wonder Grow Indian hemp. Also, what I did not tell you guys was I was also, because I didn't start using this until toward the end, but prior I had been using just this little concoction of just water and Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, so I have freshly taken my braids out. As you guys know, my hair is growing out from a tapered haircut. So my hair is various lengths throughout my hair. I also told you guys in the back, that's a whole nother story. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. All that I'm going to say about the back, I've already mentioned it in previous videos. So as you guys know, I'm not really comfortable just yet with sharing the back of my head like that until I'm in a comfortable place to be able to discuss it. So I'm going to pull my hair out of this little makeshift little bun I put it in after I kind of combed it out. And literally, again, I just took my braids out today. So this is like real. This is real. This is not any play stuff. So I'm just going to kind of part my hair down the middle. And it's not perfect, y'all. It's just a quick little part. I'm not trying to get it bone straight. It's just trying to show you guys the length of my hair, where I'm at currently. Now what you guys can tell is this is where the bottom of my hair stops, but the nape I'm still working on. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. So actually, let me just start with the sides here, because these were the actual tapered sides that was cut very low. So this is where my hair is now, the tapered sides. So now we are a little bit below the ear, which is a good thing. So I'm so pleased, I'm so happy with that. Okay, let's do the other side. Growing a little bit below the ear. Let's do the middle part. The middle I did not cut, you guys, but so you guys can get an idea as to where my bang is. Just a little bit below my nose. Okay, let's talk about the crown of my head. And let's just look at my hair in general. Just let's see what it looked like health-wise. Is it looking healthier? Is it looking like it's struggling? Let's see. To me, my hair looks pretty darn gone good. That's what I like to see. Of course, the ends need to be clipped just a little bit, but that's easy. Edges, they're growing back. My baby hair is growing. Y'all, I like what I'm seeing. So that is the current update of my hair. See you tulips in the next one. Smooches.